Diva. So if you ladies have not checked out my CurlBox unboxing, I'm going to leave the video up top so you ladies can go and check it out so you guys can see what all came in the October 2020 CurlBox. So as I stated in that video, I will be trying out 3 of the Dark and Lovely brands. So the first product I'm going to be trying out is the cleansing water with aloe. Then I'm going to use the detangling cream that has peppermint oil and avocado in it. And last but not least, I am going to use the tension tamer that also has peppermint oil and avocado in it. So let's just get into a quick detail on what each product does and how to use the product. So the first product we're going to get into is the cleansing water. Now this is an 8 fluid ounce bottle, and it states that it leaves the hair feeling clean, moisturized, healthy, and soft. It does not have any silicones, no sulfates, or dyes. So the benefits of using the cleansing water is to just gently restore your hair and your scalp. So the way to use it is you wet your hair, then you twist the nozzle to dispense any of the product out. You put it directly onto your scalp and you gently massage. And this product does retail for about $6 at your local Walmart. So the next item is the detangling cream. Now this is a 6.8 fluid ounce bottle. So this product states that it detangles while softening and conditioning your hair. It says to apply a generous amount to the root and work your way down to the ends of the hair during takedown. Now, like I said, this product do have avocado and peppermint oil in it. There's no dyes, no mineral oils, and no petroleum. So the best way to use this product is apply a generous amount to the root and work to the ends of the hair during takedown. Comb to detangle the hair and leave in for 5 minutes to deep condition before washing with cleansing water. This product does retail at your local Walmart for about $6. Last but not least, I am going to follow up with the tension tamer. This is a 4 fluid ounce bottle. This product is supposed to ease tension with a refreshing cooling sensation to help maintain healthy looking hair and hairline. So it states to use the tension tamer twice a day or as needed to help smooth tension. It says apply directly to the scalp and gently massage. So guys, like I said, I am going to be trying out these products. So stay tuned for the tutorial. completes my simple wash routine using the Dark and Lovely Protective Style line. Now I'm just gonna give you guys my final thoughts and my opinions, and we gonna end this video. Oh, I feel that tingling sensation. That feels good. It's like minty. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the detangling cream. Now this is a product that I just can't put on my hair like that. I have to make sure my hair is wet. I do have low porosity hair, so if my hair is not wet, the product is just gonna sit on my strands, and I wanted this detangling cream to really penetrate my strands. I do like how it smells. The smell is not too perfect for me. It's not overwhelming. It did detangle my hair really well. It does what it says. It melts the knots away. So I would say this right here is a plus for me, and something that I can see myself repurchasing in the future. I do wish that it did come in a bigger size, but for now, it's just gonna have to do. It is Sunday, it's a wash day routine, and I'm actually just gonna jump right into bed after this video. So if I'm not all dolled up, please excuse how I look. The next product is the cleansing water. Now, I never used a cleansing water before. This is my first time, and I was actually surprised that it actually set up in my scalp. My scalp did feel really fresh. I didn't have any problems with my hair feeling stripped or my hair feeling dry at all. I actually like this, and like the detangling cream, this is something that I will purchase. And I also like the fact that, you know, it's like water, and it also have the nozzle. So if I don't feel like taking down my cornrows, I could just put this in between my braids, massage it, and, you know, rinse my hair. So this is what I really like. It's just perfect for protective styling. Now, last but not least, y'all, I was trying not to braid my hair too tight, but y'all, the cooling minty sensation that I feel, it's amazing. I love how it feels. I love how it got my scalp feeling. My scalp feel rejuvenated. My scalp feel hydrated. My scalp just feels amazing. If you guys are someone who gets your hair braided a lot, definitely give this product a try. Your scalp is going to love you even more. If I had to rate these products on 1 out of 5, 1 being the lowest, 5 being the highest, I would definitely give these products a 5. I like how they feel on my scalp. It works well with my hair. Like I said before, I want to embrace more of my natural hair. So this line is a great fit for me because I protective style all the time. So I'm actually glad that this came in my October 2020 CurlBox. If you ladies have not yet tried out these products, definitely go and try them out. You can find them at your local Walmart for under $6. So that is a major deal. And I'm going to conclude this video. I hope you ladies enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button as well as subscribe and turn on all of your post notifications. So every time I upload a video, you guys can be notified. I hope you guys enjoy your night wherever you are in the world. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. And I'll talk to you later. Peace.